Hello everybody and welcome back to Yalan app. In this video, I'm going to show you how I myself was able to fix Venmo verification deposits not showing up. So if this is something that you want to be able to fix, well then this video is going to be perfect for you. So what you're going to do firstly is to actually close your Venmo app, and instead we're going to go into our settings app. So open up the settings app on your phone, and now on this page just scroll down, and then we're going to click where it says general. So click on general, then scroll down a little bit again and click on storage in here, as you can see. And by the way, this might take a couple of seconds to load, just so you know. And now we're just going to scroll down and find the Venmo app. It's somewhere here. Here it is, as you can see. So click on the Venmo app. Now click on upload app, and once again click on upload app. Just wait a couple of seconds and then click on the blue button here once again. Because what will happen now is that you will automatically get a new update for your Venmo app. And then you can go back into your app when it's done, and hopefully this can actually fix this issue for you, because it was actually fixed for me after that. If it still is not fixed, you need to go back into your Venmo app, and then you need to contact the support from your Venmo app. So just click on the support section and then click that you want to be able to chat with them, basically chat with the support and explain to them that your verification deposits are not showing up and you need their help to actually fix this. So hopefully this will be able to be solved for you.